December. And the really interesting thing about that concert is it's free to get in.
But we charge you to get out.
No, it is free to get in because it's sort of a Christmas thing, but our new CD will be there, and it's if you want to get information about it, you just put your name on the mailing list there.
Or on the website www.ulsterscotsfolkorchestra.co.uk.
That's it. Very good. Well, I think what we'll do now is to finish up our Hillbilly set, we will pay attention to the fact that it's not just America we deal with in this CD, it's also the Canadian connection, because I mean probably an awful lot of folk in the audience here tonight have relatives or ancestors who went out to Canada at some time or other.
Yes, and if you were to send them a DVD or CD for Christmas, would be great.
That's right. No, well, we've actually sent quite a lot.
You turned them down, didn't you, Sam?
So we're going to do a wee song now that was very popular out in Nova Scotia. It's called Mary Meg, and it's all about this boy who was coerced into marrying this girl called Mary Meg. And it's a street song from the British Isles. It's been sung here in Ulster and sung in, it's probably from Scotland originally, of course, you know. And the interesting thing about it is it's the same tune as a very popular fifing tune that's played for the Lambegs. And somebody requested that we play the Lambeg again, and we will do that to finish up. But Sam, somebody asked us there at the interval if we could turn the volume down in the Lambeg a wee bit, because you just turn your...
Out in the car park?
Out in the car park, alright, okay. Anyway, before we get into singing this wee song all about Mary Meg, we'll get Davy Angus here to play the fifing tune. It's called Killie Bon Braes. Take it away there, Davy. Mother's making Mary Mac, marry me. My mother's making me marry Mary Mac. When I marry Mary Mac, she'll be taking care of me. Oh, we make her marry when I marry Mary Mac. Mary Mac's mother's making Mary Mac, marry me. My mother's making me marry Mary Mac. When I marry Mary Mac, she'll be taking care of me. Oh, we make her marry when I marry Mary Mac. Mary Mac's mother's making Mary Mac, marry me. My mother's making me marry Mary Mac. When I marry Mary Mac, she'll be taking care of me. I will all be making merry when I marry Mary Mac. Aye.
very much. You've been a fantastic audience. Hope to see some of you here in January. But that's up from us, unfortunately. The dance band's coming on now, so you may be able to get up and stretch your legs and whiz around the floor here for an hour. So thank you very much, everybody. Good night.
Good night, everybody.